This dance is called Western Express. It's a 34 count, one wall, beginner level line dance. Starting with your feet together into some heel splits. So keep your toes where they are, move the heels apart, together, apart, together. Bend the knees as you bend down, stand back up, bend down, stand back up, hitch your right twice. So that's our first section. Let's try that once more. Heel splits. 7, 8, heel apart, together, bend, stand, hitch, hitch. Now that might seem like a funny set of steps, but it's not too funny when you put the arm movements to go with it. So you have to imagine the title, Western Express, it's a train. So your heels will go apart, together. When you do your bend and stand, you have to imagine your arms are a locomotion and you're actually doing the wheel movements. So you bend and straighten and you bend and straighten, so it doesn't actually seem quite so bad. When you hitch, you're actually pulling the whistle of the train. Woo, woo. And if you want to say woo, woo when you're actually doing it, feel free. So let's just do that section once more and put the arm movements in. Obviously you do the locomotion bits with 2 arms. I've only got one free, so I can only do it one-handed, but you only pull the whistle with the one arm, which is the same as the leg that you're hitching. So here we go from the top. Heel splits. 7, 8, apart, together, bend, stand, woo, woo. 2 hitches. So that's the static part. We're now going to start travelling. So we're going to do some vines, starting with the right foot. So we step the right to the side, cross the left behind the right, step the right to the side. Turn yourself half a turn to the right by hopping on that right foot, as best you can. And then we're going to add another vine on, going to the left. So we step the left to the side, cross the right behind the left, step the left to the side, hop on that left. So there's quite a bit of hopping in this dance, to be fair. But you don't have to jump very high when you're doing the hop. It's just a gentle movement to try and turn you around, or just literally lift you, even if you just sort of bounce effectively on the heel if you don't actually like hopping too much. That section once more then, vine into the right, right foot leading. 7, 8, side, behind, side, hop, side, behind, side, hop. I won't be doing too much hopping throughout this dance, so I will probably just do that gentle bounce. You'll see as we go through it. So let's add that to our top piece. Heel splits. 7, 8, heel split, bend up, 2 hitches, side, behind, side, hop, side, behind, side, hop. We're now going to travel slightly forward. So step forward on the right, hop, step forward on the left, hop. Vine to the right. We're going to do effectively exactly the same as what we did travelling to start with. So we step the right to the side, cross the left behind the right, step the right to the side, hop as you make that half a turn to the right, and let's just shove the other vine on for good measure. Step left to the side, right behind, left to the side, and hop. So it's actually 1.5 sections we've just done there, but it makes sense to do that vining section all together because we've already done it once. So that section once more then. Stepping forward on the right and hopping. 7, 8, step, hop, side, behind, side, hop, side, behind, side, hop. Let's add that to the top. Heel split off on the right. Keep saying that. It's a habit. Let's add that to the top. Heel splits. 7, 8. Heel split, down, up, hitch, hitch, side, behind, side, hop, side, behind, side, hop, step, hop, side, behind, side, hop, side, behind, side, hop. Step forward on the right, hop, step forward on the left, stomp the right beside the left, something different to a hop. So when you stomp, go through the heel of the foot, don't go down flat-footed, take some of those vibrations out. Now if you're struggling to try and do that half a hop, what you can actually do is a little bit of a cheat step. When you do your vine, side, behind, when you do that side step, put a little bit of a turn on it, and it'll help you get round with that hop. So let's add that last section then. We'll do it again. Let's do it again once more, and then we'll add it to the top. Stepping forward on the right, hop. 7, 8. Step, hop, step, stomp. All together then. Heel splits. 7, 8. Heel split, down, up, hitch, hitch, side, behind, side, hip, hop, side, behind, side, hop, step, hop, side, behind, side, hop, side, behind, side, hop, step, stop. That is your dance. Now it's probably going to feel like a bit faster than that to the music. Probably quite a bit faster than that to the music. Hence you might not do quite so many hops because you might not get a physical hop in. So you might actually find you're just doing a bit of a hitch and a bounce on the one foot. So it's a one wall dance. So let's do a couple of walls so you can see how they join together. Heel splits. 7, 8. Heel split, down, up, hitch, hitch, side, behind, side, hop, side, behind, side, hop, step, hop, side, behind, side, hop, side, behind, side, hop, step, stop. Heel split, down, up, hitch, hitch, side, behind, side, hop, side, behind, side, hop, step, hop, side, behind, side, hop, side, behind, side, hop, step, stop. So hopefully you can see how you just go from one wall into the next. So that is your dance and your walk through. Let's give it a go to the music. Heel split, down, up, hitch, hitch, side, behind, side, hop, side, behind, side, hop, step, hop, side, behind, side, hop, side, behind, side, hop, step, stop. Heel split, down, up, hitch, hitch, side, behind, side, hop, side, behind, side, hop, step, hop, side, behind, side, hop, side, behind, side, hop, step, stop. Heel split, down, up, hitch, hitch, side, behind, side, hop, side, behind, side, hop, step, hop, side, behind, side, hop, side, behind, side, hop, step, stop. Heel splits. Rise, step, vine, step, heel splits, vine, escalate. Line. Line. Hope you managed that one.